So here we are at Hoffman Park in the blizzard of 2017. Even my snow plowing business shut down for the day. We're not going until early morning. That's how bad it is out there. Even the snow plows aren't going. But we've braved down to Hoffman Park to get this video footage for you for the Rennell Reed YouTube channel. We're on assignment. Blizzard 2017. Graphic. So we got about what, 18 inches? Probably at this point.
Yes.
You think more than 18 at this point?
Yeah. That was a snowbank. That was
Yeah,
the sidewalk.
it's that high. Yeah, it literally
That's the
easily
sidewalk.
that high. So yeah.
That was me going.
Well, let's go out to the middle of the field over here and get a really good measurement reading. I'll go out. You could just hold the camera if you want. Monkey, loving it. Can you see Monkey? That's Monkey right there in the snow. You can barely see her. You can barely see the monkey in the snow. Monkey freak out. Want to go puppy freak out? She does. She looks like a tauntaun. She's got snow in her hair. Oh, puppy freak out. Puppy freak out. Oh, puppy freak out. Puppy freak out in the snow. Puppy freak out in the snow. Bite your feet. I'll bite your feet. I'll bite your feet. Oh, snowball. Here we go. Yeah, this is not good snowball snow, is it? Some light, fluffy stuff. Should have brought my stick. Look at her, dude. She's covered in snow, dude. We're gonna have to put her in the backpack by the time we head home. Look at how covered she is. It's crazy.
I'm almost making a vote for to the sign and then going back the way we came.
To the sign? What sign?
That sign right there.
Which sign? Don't you want me to go get an accurate reading out in the middle of a field?
I will stand right there and watch you go do that, sure.
I'll do it this field if you want. Here, just hold the camera.
Sorry, hand in front of the lens. I think it's just the wind. I'm getting that.
Oh, that's kind of cool. You should actually try that. She's pissed right now. She's so mad at me.
Mikey.
She's like, look what you did to me, dude. Oh, she just shouted, dude. Holy, she put her teeth right through it.
Yeah. Mikey.
Hey, you want to get the lightsaber through it? It's like snow cones.
That's kind of cool.
At night it would probably be great, right?
Yeah. And then it would be cool.
You really want to go in, huh, pussy?
My hands are cold.
You're going to have sex with me when we go in, though, right?
Sure?
Oh, you're such a fuck.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
I want to finish my movie.
I have a cigarette. Monkey.
Yeah. Yeah.
You little shit. You little shit. Biting my leg. You're biting my pants, you little shit monkey. You want to stick her in the backpack? I think she's good. My eyes are stinging. Going back this way. looking out over the frozen tundra of Hoffman Park. There'll be no soccer today. The precious snowflakes can't come out because there are too many not so precious snowflakes. It makes the noise when you stick it in. Megan chops the snow with her lightsaber. Oh, she broke it. Megan is lightsabering this snow. She's using her lifesaver. Right, Rennell? It's called a lifesaver, right? You want to use mine too?
I was gonna fluff it up and then toss monkey into it.
You have no idea what's to come. Precious little puppy, having fun in the snowstorm. You have no idea what's to come.
Hello, monkey. Come here.
Oh, maybe you have a little idea. It looks like you have some idea. She definitely has an idea.
Yeah?
Oh, she got away. Squirrely monkey. She's like, that's not fucking funny, man. Dog was in my pants. I said, I'll go do a slide with this dog and tap it. On my walk, by my pants, by my pants. Down the slide. Oh, I could go on the swing and like whoosh.
I think you would hurt yourself.
I think you would hurt yourself.
I think you would hurt yourself.
I think monkey would get her. It's not a fit night out for man or monkey. Look at monkey; it's just like holding her head down. She's cold. I bet you she'd take the bag right now.
Yep. She's ready to go.
She's just about done here.
She's hurt.
Yeah, we're gonna have to warm her up when we get home. She's frozen. Come on this way.
Nope. This way.
Oh, I went the right one. We can go this way though. I didn't realize it was. She's following you though. Ooh, we should get the fireworks. Oh, shush. Yeah, whatever. Everything's covered in snow. We're not gonna have a fire.
Still too windy.
Can't have a fire. It's snowing out. It's impossible. It's like literally impossible. It's a fact.
No fires happen in the winter?
No fires because it's snow everywhere. How are you gonna start a fire? That's crazy. It's almost like the female clitoris. Bigfoot.
We both know that doesn't exist.
Yeah. People using Bigfoot. Everybody shovel your sidewalk. That's so funny, dude. Three driveways in 2 hours.
Yeah.
I feel vindicated that I stayed where I was, and because I'd probably be someplace on Hackett Boulevard, like stuck,
Yeah. Mikey, come
like cursing myself like that dude was before we pushed him out.
Yeah.
I saw his frustration. I felt for him. That was the whole thing, really. I was like, oh no, dude, I gotcha.
What do you say? You going to work?
He's coming home. I said, no, this way. In the snowbank, buddy.
Come on.
Up and in. Hey! Up and in. Nobody's out but the police tonight. Nobody's on the road but police. Nobody's on the road but the police. Oh, look at that. What's he doing? He's stopping. We're in trouble, Megan. Look, he's coming after you.
Yeah?
Yep, you're busted. You're busted. He knows all about it. Nobody's on the road but police and plastic bags. See that? Like tumbleweed. You've been shoveling that car out for a while, dude. Or was it another car? You've been shoveling that car out for a while. Plastic bag on the road. What's going on over here? Well, it looks like we might have an incident in the blizzard.
Let's see. Let's see if anything is open.